Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI. Do you buy those little foaming hand soaps that don't last long? Before you know it, it's gone? Well, I no longer do that. I buy the ready-to-use foaming hand soap by Clean Revolution. It is a wonderful product. It is 128 ounces, which is a gallon, a whole gallon, and it lasts use after use after use before you have to fill up your pump again. So I use a little pump dispenser here that just pumps the right amount of my foaming hand soap, and it just lasts long and it smells good. It's lavender. It's great for if you have a septic tank like I do, because it doesn't have any antibacterial, anything that kills my septic tank. All I need to do is just put a little bit of the foaming hand soap into my dispenser and I'm ready to go. It pumps out just the right amount, and that's all I need. It is gentle on the skin, so it's a nice, gentle, smooth, foaming hand soap. I really love it. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.